are we online? Hi guys, this is Gennaro from GA Salons, and this is Andrea. Today we are going to show you how you can achieve curls like this one, looking curls, and you can use one of these. I bet you all have curling iron at home. We use Upgrade. It's the best brand for me in curling irons. They are made of titanium, and the fact that there is no spring, see, most of them, see, this one stays open, most of them have a spring, so you actually press the hair, and there is something, you know, wrong with that idea. I think this one, because of the curve you see inside here, you can use that curve and tapping it like that to get a beautiful curls like that. So you see also the hair, it's slightly frizzy. So it happens that you wake up in the morning like this and you want to get ready without using a brush, without doing too much, because using the heat of the curling iron, you are going to be able to make it curly and nice. So what do? You take sections with your fingers like that. You take a section like this, and using the curling iron behind the section like that, you close it, not too strong, and release it a bit and start rolling the iron around the hair. So you do that, you release a bit, and you do the same thing again. Once again, release, wrap it. And you should end up with a nice looking wave. And remember to take sections not too big, not too small. And again, yeah, and again. So you do that very quickly. Remember that the temperature doesn't make this job any faster. The temperature is set up for the kind of hair. So if you have here, she does highlights, she does balayage with us, and her hair is kind of normal Eastern European hair, so it's kind of tiny bit delicate, not that delicate, or you don't put the temperature too high. As you can see here, it's 182 degrees, which is pretty much where a hair dryer goes. If you have thick, dark hair, then you can go a bit higher than that. Also, you leave it like that, you don't open it, just because the hair shape fixes while it's cooling down. Again, you see, I've done half head in less than 5 minutes, and with a bit of practice, I believe you can do the same by yourself. Well, the job is done. Let's take a look. So this part is a bit tighter because I've done this one before, but what you can do when you arrive here, just put your hands through. Good, she's got gorgeous looking curls in 5 minutes. So let me know how you guys doing with it. If you need any advice, just write it down here in the comments. And I'll make sure we make another video for you to understand this better. But look how gorgeous in less than 5 minutes. Thank you.